I will make a new part. Well, I'll insert both. So I'll insert the rocket body. So right click over here, import into current design. All right, and you just press OK. So just we're just gonna replace, and then I'll go nose cone 2, insert into current design, and it shows me there. Let me just move it to the side and press OK. All right, so notice how we can move some of these things. This one I don't think we're able to move. So the first one that you put usually is the one that's anchor. You can see this little anchor over here. Um, so you can do it in place. You can click on ground and then you can move it, right? So it's just moving. But usually the first one you put has a little anchor, so it's not able to move. And notice how this one it's have the links because um, they are different parts. So if you modify one, then we can modify the rest. So I want to put this cone on top. I want to mate them. That's what it's called, to join them. But I think this diameter is really small. All right, I think if I try to put it, it's really small. So let's modify that one. So if I right click, or I can just go over here to the nose cone I already have open before. All right, we can modify some of these things. So edit sketch. I don't think I put that dimension here. So since we're doing that, let's say this will be 0.5, so that it's a 1 inch inside. And when it doubles, that's the radius, so it doubles then here. So then we can save this, just resave, so bigger diameter. So it updates here, and if anything, we can also bring it back again into the other assembly. So where's my other assembly? I have over here, still on title. And you can see we have this little there's this update because one of the parts was updated. That's what it's called, one of the child, because they depend on the other. So let's just click right here and it will update. And yeah, this